I think it's too bad that we have to have a proof, but we have a proof today of the importance of doing so. We have a debt, and we think this person have met somebody who traveled. So it's very dangerous. I'm very happy to see sport people, artists, Sugar Sammy, Mitch Garber, all these people telling the Anglophone, the Francophone, the Allophone, everybody, please respect the rules. So we have to continue. It's not
Quebec
over.
Premier François Legault announced the first death linked to the coronavirus during his daily briefings on the virus Wednesday. The victim, a woman living in a senior's home in the Lanaudière region north of Montreal. Health officials say the woman came into contact with someone who was known to have traveled, but it's unclear if that person has symptoms of the virus themselves. They say a full investigation is underway and want to remind the population not to panic.
We made sure already that all people that had been in contact with this woman have been advised and that we take all precautions for them.
Premier Legault saying there are 6 people infected with the virus in hospital, 4 of those in intensive care in the province. He says we have 2,300 hospital beds free, and we could accommodate 6 to 2,300 right away before we worry about the system being congested, that we could free up to 6,000 beds. We have all the equipment we need for the next few days and weeks.
Right now, we're ready. We have all the equipment. We'll accelerate the number of tests to 3,000 a day. So everything is in place, but it's important that we respect all the rules.
Quebec Public Health Director Horacio Arruda says we have to do our utmost and change the way we do things. Don't use cash and use credit cards instead to prevent contamination. The SAQ is going cashless. Have things delivered. And most importantly, if you've traveled, you must self-quarantine for 14 days to help protect those you love and the community. Social distancing is key. Stay connected online, be creative, he says, and wash your hands.
Je ne porte pas de masque, je lave mes mains. Je lave mes mains. Et si je suis malade, je viendrai pas ici, je contaminerai pas le premier ministre ici qui a besoin d'être ici pour contrôler le bateau. C'est pour ça qu'on se lave les mains.
The premier saying the virus has yet to peak in Quebec, but they are tracking it all and the measures are working. It is slowing down the progression of the virus. That it will be a battle.
Je peux vous dire là, que les mesures qu'on a mises en place au cours des derniers jours, ça fonctionne. Ça ralentit la progression du virus. Donc, il ne faut pas baisser la garde.